So this is my simple homeschool planner for this school year, and I wanted to give you guys just a glimpse of how I decorate it, how I get organized. And this is before everything's written in it, so you'll see a little bit of stuff written in it, but my monthlies will be empty because I don't need y'all trying to figure out where I am on October 24th. Amen. I don't need that. So let's go ahead and get this party started. This is my monthly spread for October. These stickers came from the $1 stickers pack. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see that $1 stickers pack from Michael. And I just took some and spread them all around. This cute Mrs. Kemp teacher sticker though, this came from JD in Brooklyn, and you can get them customized skin tones and get your name put on there, Miss, Mrs. I love these library books due stickers right here. These are from the Busty Planner. And again, you can check the blog post below that will have links to these shops and everything that I'm using. Alrighty, and then these quotes right here I just cut up and put over these pumpkins. So this is how I use this planner. Basically I still decorate every week, but I keep it light. So like I have weekly assignments here, and I just add some washi for some decoration for me. So I do my labels, have preschool, and that will be for for Bam Bam and Princess. And then I have Bible, which is for the household. As far as all the kids, we study the Bible. We do the same thing, just on different levels. And then I go through the different subjects for Bear. All the rest of this is his. So this is just a little bit. What's highlighted in blue is our My Father's World curriculum, and then the other stuff is just things that I have added to reiterate, or things I may be getting from other websites. So there is not much written here because I do my planning about a month in advance, and this is what I wrote at the end of August for October. So I'm going to go through now and fill in the rest. So this is like what we're reading. I'll put the spelling list here, any activities here. Sometimes I'll put the Bible memory verse and things of that nature. And as you see, like I said, I decorate each one, and each week I add a little bit of sugar and spice to the decoration. So in the beginning of the planner, you've seen this in the first video. So I just write down what we have going on, our events, our co-op day, our monthly goals. Alrighty, and so then for the planning here, I put down any activities that we did. So for example, here in August we did. So this will be the record that I keep in Bear's portfolio. I will keep these pages in his portfolio. So for example, our unit studies and projects we did, the hurricane relief, the donations drive, we had with the homeschool group, intro to A&P, and then to coordinate what he was doing there, the pre-K did body parts. So that's what we focused on. And again, these pages will stay in the portfolio that I have for the year, just in case. But now I have my monthly spreads done all the way through January, and I've already added like the little decorative elements. So I just go through and write the dates down, things that we have going on. So like we have our fall break coming up, and then of course in December you'll have your winter break coming up. So this has really been a good planner for us to use. Adding the decorations to it is something that helps me when everybody sees it. They're able to look at it and see what we have going on. And I have really been enjoying using it. And again, just the decorations are for me. The organization is for everybody. The organization is for everybody. So if you have any questions about how I use this planner, I will put links to the previous videos I've done describing this planner. I think I have like 2 videos about it and a couple blog posts. All of that will be linked below. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have a clearer understanding of how I use this planner and how I've organized this planner to fit the Team Kemp Academy. And I will see y'all in the next video.